Hey everyone, I'm just gonna do a little walkthrough on some potential targets to be looking at. As you can see right now on Bitcoin, so we broke above this golden pocket from the fan pole, and we did get a rejection back that we couldn't hold it past this VWAP right over here. So we broke back down, and then we found some support on this more locally pulled anchored VWAP, and right now we're kind of just resting above this pink line right over here. It is the weekend, so the fact that we haven't like dumped and we're just kind of ranging sideways is definitely a good sign. If we can hold above this line right over here, some of the targets to the upside, I think we can definitely be shooting for you know this VWAP area, and by that time maybe it'll be intercepting with this blue line right over here. Once it does come over there, I would be definitely looking to see if we might be potentially having a reversal from there. Overall, Bitcoin on the daily, the higher time frames, such as like the 3-day, 2-day, everything is looking quite bullish at the moment. So hopefully we can get a higher push to the upside, and it would be really nice to see it come possibly to this white line over here somewhere. Yeah, just seeing kind of what's going to be playing out on tomorrow. We might start getting a move possibly Monday hopefully, but yeah. And then I also wouldn't be surprised if maybe we lose this level, maybe come down here, we get a bounce off of these intercepting lines right over here, and then possibly start that move. Or if we just kind of stay above this, then I would definitely see us possibly hitting these higher targets here. So yeah, that's the rundown on Bitcoin. And then on Ethereum at the moment, so Ethereum, we're above this more macro pink line at the moment, right over here. Same thing, we did break above this white or this blue line for a second. However, we then ended up breaking back down to the downside. So again, we're just kind of ranging here for the moment. So hopefully we're going to start moving to the upside as well. And then for targets, again, would be this line somewhere along that, depending on what price is doing when it comes there. And then if we could break past that, I think we're going to be finding a lot of resistance in this area right over here. We have an intercepting line over here, and then also these two pink ones. And then at that time, these VWAPs should be coming over here as well. So just that kind of like whole area, this whole area right over here, it's definitely going to be giving some resistance to the upside. But if we break past that, then it's going to be hopefully a pretty quick move, just to potentially this line or these two lines right over here. So yeah, so those are just some targets to be looking at. Like I was saying, I think we're kind of looking more like we're going to be going to the upside, just kind of based off of a market cipher on the higher time frames. You can see that while we are starting to come back down over here, money flow is starting to have a nice curve to the upside on the daily, the 12-hour. Again, it's almost clipped, but now it's starting to move back to the upside. 4-hour, we're about to get a really nice trigger wave on the 4 hours. So yeah, so let's just see what happens. And like I was saying, I'm gonna be definitely keeping an eye open for when we do come to those higher levels, and just see what happens and potentially be looking for shorts.